I don't know we will have the review questions, and today I have two review questions. And of course, follow our activity we call Think, Hail, Share. And because of maybe somewhat simple, so there you have two review questions. First one, talking about interfaces, and also ask you have the forwarding tables. So we have two sub-problems within the question. First one and second one. So this is the review question 24. And about the current questions, let me check. Any questions? If yes, raise your hand to let me know. For example, Alan. Any question about review question? No? Okay, thank you. So take a photo for the two questions first, and later I will switch. And the second one, we have some maybe daily life discussion. You have something, and then we want to have the IP addresses, how to assign. We have some specific term to assign these. And also you are asked to check. Should you use NAT, Network Address Translation? How are IP addresses assigned to the 5 PCs? Alright. So 2 questions, but we have 4 possible answers. Before you go, let me try to see the possible presenter. If you have the standing page, let me check. Good one. Anyone want to have the answer for review question 24 and the first answer? No? Good too? Good too. Good too. Also good for you. Okay. Good for mothers, right? Alright, mothers responsible maybe the first one. How many interfaces?
8.
No, not right now. Later you are asked to answer. And of course I will ask someone to check correctness or not. So later I will assign. And the second one, good too. Anyone want to answer? Forwarding tables. How about week? Forwarding tables. Alright, so it should be okay, right? Not really difficult. Can you take the responsibility to answer this? Okay, right? So, models, part A for review question 24 and part B by week. And review question 26. So, good fight. How about Louis? How are IP addresses assigned to the 5 PCs?
Should we answer now?
Maybe not now. Let me assign. Later you have time to answer. And Louis, how? Later I will ask you to answer. And does the wireless router use NAT? So good 6. Any standing badge there? Good 6. I cannot see. So good 7. Engineer, right? Alright. Second question, part B. Because why or why not? Alright, so later I will ask them to share. But if you have your answer, of course, you can fill in your answer here. But they have 2 minutes to think about this. And later I still don't have time to fill in, no problem. And this time using hyperlink to key in. So that have 2 minutes. And later we will show the answer. Of course, you can refer to the answer. Of course, you are allowed to discuss with your members. Okay, go and discuss with your members. You can chat with your member for sure. Okay. Kevin. So you can move for sure, no problem. For the 2 review questions, 4 sub-problems. So all the 4 sub-problems, you need to have the answers. If you know, you can key for sure. But we still have time to share by some of them. So first of all, mothers, let me get back to this page. You will answer? Wait a moment. Kevin? You will answer?
So I think each router has an inbound interface and outbound interface. So each of them have 2. So 8 in total, right?
So finally, the answer is
8 in total.
8.
Yeah.
Let me have a hint, including source and destination. So, any correction?
Including source and destination. Ten.
Say again.
So 10 in total?
10, right? So finally you correct from 8 to 10, right? Okay. So let me try to, so of course you can take a photo and then the tutor know you are the presenter. So they can receive a bonus of 2 points. And let me ask Bob, any comment on this, correct or not? He say 8, oh sorry, initially 8, finally 10.
Yeah, I think it sounds okay.
Sure, you can study as a presenter. So go ahead.
No, I think it makes sense, like 10, right? Yeah, because 4 routers in between and then the source and destination, I think it kind of makes sense.
So sure you are still the presenter. Okay, don't forget that. So this is part A. And part B, Vic, your answer?
Yeah, okay. I think the question, the answer is 4.
4.
Yeah, because the forwarding table are indexed at the router to define next hop. So since there are 4 routers, so the answer is 4 times.
4. So I write it on the whiteboard. First one, 10. Correct or not? You can judge it. And the second one, it's 4. For this one, I think no, I do not ask someone else to challenge or not. And about the second question. So second question, Louis, right? Wait a moment. Louis, you will answer. How are addresses, IP addresses assigned to the 5PC? One specific term.
Use an AT inside router.
How to assign?
How to assign?
Yeah.
Do you mean by like how it looks like 192.168.x.x?
Maybe some mechanism.
An
So that
AT.
we can assign IP addresses. So which one? Some shorthands maybe 4 characters. Initial is D.
Oh, you mean dynamic
Yeah.
ISP?
Yeah, so what that means?
Oh, it means that
D.
the D
D and then
ISP.
DH.
Oh.
Allow you to check it.
Oh, DHCP.
So finally the answer is
DHCP.
so DHCP, and let me ask one to check here. Your standing page. Yeah, this, right? It's yours, right? Alan, DHCP for this answer, what do you think?
I have no idea.
No idea, okay. Alright. So do you have the standing page? No?
No.
Okay, sorry, this time. Alright, no idea, but he said DHCP. Alright, so this is the answer, and also I asked someone to check it. And finally, NAT, use it or not use it. So it should be future Nia, right? Come here. Is it correct? Future Nia? Okay.
So, the question why or why not? My answer is the wireless router uses NAT because it only receives a single IP address from the ISP.
So repeat it again, yes or no? Make it simple, yes or no?
So the answer is yes.
Okay. So the answer is yes. And in fact, it should be English. English. Still allow you to upload, but you should change it to English. One, it's DHCP. Two, it's yes. Using NAT. So yes or not, I think you can have a decision. Alright, so these are the possible answers shared by 4 students and for your reference. If you finish it, no problem. If you don't finish it, right now you still have a chance to allow you to have 2 minutes to finish the answer. Go and finish it. So 2 minutes to fill in on the website. And the reference answer here, correct or not correct, I'm not sure. You can check them. And meanwhile, let me see any possible questions to check with me or with the other presenters. Same. If yes, raise your hand to let me know. And all of you, if you've ever saying something, then you are the presenter. So I have a lot of chance to see it. See it? Allow you to have the chance. Any question, yes or no, or something else? Anything, anything.
I see R26. He should use the NIT to access the file people, privacy, IP address.
Okay, sure. So you agree, right? Yes. Agree with the answer, yes, right? Okay. No problem. So, finish answering, and so that we can go to the next page to show you the answers. Alright, time's up. Let me make sure. Not finished? Yes, right? So, let me go to the next one. So anyone maybe on YouTube, I think that you have for 10 seconds. Alright, wait for 10 seconds, then we go to the next page. Alright, so let me go to the next page. Let us check it, correct or not. Here. 24. Right? So same. And 26 DHCP. And yes. One IP address. That's correct by engineer, right? So that's it. The two review questions. They are review questions, so not difficult. But you are encouraged to check the other problems, not review question only. Since we will have the quiz and also the final exam, so of course you are encouraged to check the others. Alright, so these are the thing Pal shared to review for the previous discussed content. So let me go to the next one.